Hi guys, what if you guys could make stunning YouTube thumbnails in seconds without lifting a finger? That's what I'm going to talk about today. Today, I added consistent looking thumbnail titles and thumbnail based intros to create more of a professional branded experience in YouTube videos. So why is thumbnail creation so painful? First of all, it's time consuming. Designing custom thumbnails takes time, especially when trying to create something visually appealing and unique for each video. I created a tool which allows very fast thumbnail creation in an automated way using AI, so that thumbnail creation will no longer have to delay a project. So I'd like to show what this tool does. It basically takes the title and the subject of the video, and based on that, it is using AI to create a thumbnail for it, and it puts the title on the thumbnail. But more about that later. The other problem that creators are facing is that many creators don't have graphic design expertise, making it difficult to create thumbnails that look professional and grab viewers' attention. Because the tool automates the design process, the YouTube creator no longer has to have good design skills to create great looking thumbnails. So again, we go back to what AI can do now. It can create really good looking images. Basically, it's a choice between doing it by hand using Canva, which is a great tool, and I'm not trying to put it down in any way, but you're still doing that kind of work by hand, or you can have it done by. This is an example of ChatGPT coming back with two images alternatives, generating for a thumbnail for a YouTube video, as I was testing out the functionality of ChatGPT. So the images are getting really good, and so you don't have to do so much work by hand. So that's another big thing. You no longer have to have design skills if you use an automated process. Now, there's the need for consistency, which is another issue. To build a recognizable brand on YouTube, creators need to maintain a consistent style across all thumbnails, which isn't easy without a clear process or reusable templates. Maintaining this consistency helps viewers easily identify their content. And by achieving it, but achieving it can be difficult, especially when experimenting with different designs or themes. My thumbnails can incorporate consistent elements. For example, they can have the same style, consistent title superimposed, and they can be attached to the beginning of the video as well to create a great intro, all without any work by the creator to achieve this. So I want to show what I mean. So for example, this is a thumbnail generated by my tool for this video based on the title and the subject matter, the material. It superimposed the title, and this title can be uniform across your videos or your videos of a certain set, so to create a feeling that they're part of a series. And if you look at the actual video, this is what the video is. Just look at the beginning. I have the option of adding, or I created an option to add the thumbnail as an intro to the video. So the first couple of seconds shows the thumbnail, and then the video starts. Hi guys. So this is another nice thing. I think it just creates a general uniform feeling, a more professional looking experience, more of a branded experience. Then there's the issue of quality standards. Effective thumbnails require a balance of readability, visual appeal, and relevance, which is hard to achieve consistently, especially without specialized tools or knowledge. So once this process works really well, you can just always generate the same quality. So the AI tools are getting better, so the images are becoming better and better looking. They certainly look better than what many creators would do by hand. I like using Canva. Canva is a great tool, but you still have to do many of this stuff by hand, which means both it takes a long time. It's not necessarily easy to do, and it's not going to be consistently the same quality because you sometimes you're tired, sometimes you don't have enough time to do it. If you have an automated process, it's going to be consistently good looking. So then there's the issue of testing and optimization. Thumbnail performance varies, and knowing which designs will attract clicks can require A/B testing or experimentation, adding another level of complexity. Since now it's fast and easy to create thumbnails, if you're using my video editor, we can keep making and trying out new ones in quick succession to see what works better. So the point here I'm trying to make is that since you have an automated process to create the thumbnails, you can use a thumbnail testing tool, and now there is one. YouTube announced that they're going to make a thumbnail testing tool available in YouTube Studio. So you can test out up to 3 thumbnails here and see which one is performing better. Now, if you did it by hand, if you did the thumbnails by hand, it would just take a much longer time. But if you have an automated process, again, this is very simple to do. Doesn't take much time, and you will get better performance because you were able to test out 3 different thumbnails. So that's all I wanted to talk about today. I hope that you find this feature of the video editor useful. It should allow you to create more consistent looking thumbnails, and it should be much faster than what you would be able to achieve by hand.